Hello guys, so finally Royal Enfield has launched the BS6 version of its Himalayan bike in India. So now this bike comes with 6 big updates. So without wasting much time, let's quickly cover those updates. First major update is related to its engine. This bike now gets a 411cc single cylinder 4-stroke SOHC air-cooled fuel injected engine that puts out maximum power of 24.3 bhp at 6500 rpm and a maximum torque of 32 Newton meters at 4500 rpm. So there is no change in the engine capacity and the maximum torque of this BS6 bike compared to the BS4 bike, but there is a slight reduction in the maximum power. Earlier in BS4 model we had 24.5 bhp of maximum torque. Now in this BS6 model we have 24.3 bhp of maximum torque. So there is a reduction of 0.2 bhp in this BS6 bike. Second update is the introduction of hazard warning light on the right switch panel. Hazard warning lights are used when your vehicle is stationary to warn that it is temporarily obstructing the traffic. This switch was available in 2017 models but removed due to BS4 changes. Now this is reintroduced in the BS6 model. Third update is related to braking. So the braking has also been improved. Now this bike gets switchable ABS, which allows rider to turn off the rear wheel ABS so that the rider can slide the motorcycle while riding off-road. Fourth update is redesigned side stand to ensure that the bike has slight lean angle when parked. This helps to park the bike at any surface with better stability. Fifth update is improved battery efficiency. So in BS4 model, headlight was turned on soon after switching on the bike. Now in BS6 model, there is a setting which turns on headlamp only after reaching a particular motor RPM. Sixth and the last update is that instrument panel now gets a white backlight setup. Rest everything else will remain same as the BS4 model. This bike gets a 5-speed gearbox. Coming to the suspension, front suspension is a 41 mm telescopic forks. Rear suspension is a monoshock with linkage. Coming to tires and brakes, front tire is a 90/90 section tire which is mounted on 21-inch alloy wheel. Rear tire is 120/90 section tire which is mounted on 17-inch alloy wheel. Front disc is 300 mm disc and the rear disc is 240 mm. This bike comes with dual channel switchable ABS. Coming to the dimensions, ground clearance is 220 mm, seat height is 800 mm, curb weight is 199 kgs which is 90% fuel and oil. Fuel capacity is 15 liters. Coming to the colors, earlier this bike had 3 colors. Now this bike is available in 3 more colors: ocean blue, rock red and gravel grey. Coming to the price of Royal Enfield BS6 is as per the color. The price of Snow White and Granite Black is Rs 1.86 lakh ex showroom. The price of Sleet Grey and Gravel Grey is Rs 1.89 lakh ex showroom. The price of newly introduced dual tone rock red and lake blue color is Rs 1.91 lakh ex showroom. Booking of this Royal Enfield Himalayan BS6 will start by the end of Jan 2020. So that's it from my side guys. If you like the content of this video, do give it a like and do subscribe to my channel for more bike and tech related videos. Also hit the bell icon so that you can get the regular bike updates. Thank you guys.